Okay, William. What are we doing today?
You mean what are we doing today? Getting hit by cars almost.
That's nice. All right. Seriously though, what do we just buy? We just buy sodas, not sodas, chips and all that stuff for.
Look at all the stuff in the back. That's what I'm talking about. What are we doing?
Yeah, what are we doing?
We're gonna
today?
go feed the immigrants.
We are going.
Hoorah! Hoorah! We're going to the beach. Gonna see some ladies. You know, we're gonna catch footballs. You ladies all right? Absolutely. And then end of the night off with my favorite little thing of some pyrotechnics. I'm thinking about throwing this on the fire and just kaboom. Kaboom.
Kaboom.
And that's how we end the night.
Oh shoot.
You know it. There's probably like what 20-something fire pits at the end of the night. There's gonna be one less. 'Cause it's gonna be gone after that. So
just admitted to like a felony or something.
probably, but hey, I've already done a couple felonies. So what's one more?
What's one more on your rap sheet? I guess.
Absolutely.
That's understandable. That's fair. I think. How many people are going?
Like 20-something.
20-something people. Wow.
That's my guesstimation of the night.
Guesstimation.
It's gonna be like 5 people.
Yeah, Kyle and Carson are gonna call. Hey, sorry.
We're not going anymore.
It's just gonna be the Taylors and Chase that show up.
No, don't worry. Hannah and her friends are going for sure.
Oh, yeah, that's pretty cool.
So yeah, we're happy with that one.
It's gonna be a good day.
Great day. You ready, Connor?
I am so ready.
Ready to spread your social wings and talk to people?
By that you mean talk to Bella and Michael and Caitlin for 3 hours, right?
And Chase.
And I keep forgetting Chase is coming.
Raining, it's boring. We're still going though. Trust me, this fire's gonna be big enough to put the rain out. Normally it's the rain that puts the fire out. Today it's the fire that's gonna put the rain out.
That's gonna be what's our like first stop before we get to the beach.
Sadly, we have to pick up my girlfriend. Unfortunately. But
Unfortunately.
It's okay.
Dang.
And then we're probably gonna pick up a little more firewood. I might make her pay for it, honestly.
Ooh.
You know, I'm sexist. I really believe that women need to spend their money on men. Because, you know, they fought so hard just to get paid less, so they need to pay for us. That's what I'm thinking.
I think that's really smart.
I know, I am really smart. Thank you.
I don't think I can leave this video.
You can leave it all in there. I don't care. Put me online as a sexist bastard.
I'm saying for my sake, I don't think I can.
Yeah, you'll be fine. You're not the one saying it.
People have been canceled for much less just being associated with someone remotely not in the right.
Well, it's okay. It's a good thing that I am remotely in the right. I'm always right. And you're always wrong.
You heard it here first. He is always right, and you are always wrong.
Right. Yep. Normally in the relationship, the woman is always right and the man is always wrong, but today, I'm right. She's wrong. She's always wrong. And I am always right.
That's right.
Sexism. The way to go. Hoorah!
Oh, hi fam. So guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I'm here with Connor and him. So Connor, what are we doing?
You're just introducing yourself, you know?
Oh, yeah. Hi. I'm the cool one, guys. Totally cool.
What's your name?
My name is, I have no name. Isabella. I have no name.
It's retard. It's retard.
Dang.
I'm the cool one.
That's fair.
She's the sexist one in the group too.
Do this for me. I'm a woman. I don't want to get my hands wet. I can't get my hair wet. You go outside. I'll get the mail.
She's the sexist Yeah.
Bro tells me to do his laundry while he's laying in bed on his
Facts,
phone.
because she's a woman. At least do one thing while I'm out working and sweating away in the yard, you know, cleaning everything. At least you do something useful. You don't even know how to cook.
I'll throw hands right now.
It's true, you don't know how to cook.
I'm a baker, not a... I'm a cook, I bake.
Yeah, I want a cooker, not a baker. I'm not trying to get fat, I'm trying to get healthy.
I'll make healthy treats.
talking about.
What's up, buddy?
What's up, dude?
You can also call him DQ.
Where's everybody else?
They're coming.
Alright.
No, stay. Who are you, Jack? What's your name? What's your name?
My name is Jack Scheinberg. I go to UCSD. Any other prompts?
No, just talk a little bit more. What are your interests? What do you like to do?
I am interested in this guy right here. Very much so.
Come here. Yeah. Oh my gosh. All right. Your turn, Matthew.
So I like playing video games. I like working. Well, not really, but yeah, just
Where are they going?
you can see my journey losing weight. Honestly, see that shit.
All right.
Like a year.
You have to say your name because I have no
I'm some random kid named Chase that spawned out of nowhere.
Tell me a bit more, Chase.
I'm tall and I'm 19.
How are you feeling about the beach tonight?
Feel good.
Feel good?
I need that refresher from the plane.
Oh yeah. Where do you go to school? Why were you on the plane?
I go to some random ass school in Arizona, and I was on the plane because I have spring break.
Okay, I want to move on to someone else now.
You are stupid!
Okay, someone do it. I gotta get Michael now.
Not me.
So we're just sleeping? Okay, fine.
Okay, Mike, tell me about yourself.
My name is Michael. I'm here because I was invited by Will Tinker. A little bit about myself. I'm 19. I would call myself pretty tall, but compared to like Connor and Chase, I'm not that tall at all. And just want to let you guys know it's freezing out here, so don't come out here when it's cold.
Real.
You don't want to be in it?
Hell no.
Why not?
Hell no.
Just come on.
Hold on.
Just okay.
Keep it PG.
Yeah, keep it PG, please.
Hold on, let me think. Cause I don't go to school, I don't have a life.
Just say how old you are.
Talk about Chase. Just talk about Chase.
Fuck Chase.
So that's on film.
Okay, hold on. I'll say hi, my name's Caitlin. I'm short compared to everybody else here. I'm 18. I don't go to school. And yeah, got invited to the beach by William.
How are you feeling about the beach tonight? You feeling good?
Good, but it's like really cold out here.
Fair enough.
Yeah.
I agree.
But it's nice to be here. I'm Bella. I'm the cool one.
You already said all this.
I'm saying this again. Better, stronger, feminism. Love it.
No, we don't. You do not like that here.
Barbie movie? No.
Nah,
Not my cup of tea.
not your cup of tea.
No.
That's probably good. I'm so happy I've never seen it.
The only reason I watched it was because of Ryan.
What's up, guys? I'm Carson. I'm 6'7", 210. Play linebacker for University of Alabama. Friends with a whole bunch of black people.
Okay, I'm posting this on YouTube too.
Yeah, dude. Subscribe to Connor's YouTube channel.
Do you want
likes
to
black
say
people
something
too.
I'm okay.
Hey bro, how you feel about the beach, Carson?
I don't want to be here. I actually don't want to be here. I want to go home. We're just watching them play spike ball. They're freaking lame. They're terrible.
That's fair.
This is a joke. But we just gotta act here and, or we just gotta stand here and act like we care. Yeah, I really do, man.
19.
Cool. Like and subscribe, man.
I don't know. You're really good at this, Carson.
I'm not really good, dude. Wait, was that sarcastic? Yeah, that was definitely sarcastic.
I think he did okay.
I think you could.